In the heart of Southeast Asia, nestled within the Indonesian archipelago, lies a jewel of the Lesser Sunda Islands. Surrounded by the warm waters of the Coral Triangle, the global center of marine biodiversity, and blessed with profound tropical beauty, lies an island unlike any other. A place where ancient temples rise above emerald rice terraces sculpted by generations of hands. Where sacred volcanoes, homes to deities, touch the clouds and watch over the land. And where a unique spirituality shapes the rhythm of everyday life, turning simple moments into acts of devotion. This is Bali, Indonesia's most famous island, a paradise that has captured the imagination of artists, seekers, and travelers for over a century. Welcome to Bali, the island of gods. Bali is a mosaic of diverse landscapes, each region offering its own distinct character. Located between Java and Lombok, it serves as a cultural and geographical bridge. The south is the island's energetic heart. Here, world-famous beaches like Kuta and Seminyak pulse with life, offering bustling nightlife, world-class dining, and golden sand. It's a playground for surfers, sunseekers, and socialites. Journey inland, and the energy shifts. Central Bali, with Ubud at its core, is the island's cultural soul. This is a realm of verdant rice paddies, sacred forests, and a thriving arts scene. A sanctuary for wellness, spirituality, and creative expression. To the north and west, Bali reveals its quieter, untamed side. The pace slows, and nature takes center stage, with dramatic black sand beaches, sleepy fishing villages, and the pristine marine parks of Menjangan Island offering a glimpse into the Bali of old. This island's story is as layered as its landscapes. Early animist beliefs blended with Hindu-Buddhist traditions that arrived from India and Java, creating a unique spiritual foundation. The 14th century marked a pivotal moment, as the powerful Majapahit Empire of East Java extended its influence. When the empire later fell, its elite, artists, priests, and intellectuals fled to Bali, cementing the island as a bastion of Hindu-Javanese culture. This exodus is why Bali remains a predominantly Hindu island in the world's largest Muslim-majority nation. The arrival of the Dutch in the 19th century brought conflict and colonization, but Balinese identity endured. After Indonesia's independence in 1945, Bali became part of the new republic, eventually emerging as the global icon it is today. One of Bali's most iconic landscapes is its rice terraces, a testament to a philosophy that intertwines the divine, the human, and the natural world. The terraces of Tegalalang and Jatiluwih stretch across hills like giant green staircases to the heavens. For over 1,000 years, farmers have used a sophisticated cooperative irrigation system known as subak. Water flows from a single source, often a mountain lake, through a network of temples and canals, managed collectively by the community. This UNESCO World Heritage tradition reflects the Balinese philosophy of Trihita Karana, harmony between people, nature, and the spiritual realm. It is a living system where water, work, and worship are inseparable. The result is not just a method of farming, but one of the most beautiful and sustainable agricultural landscapes on Earth. This spiritual connection is visible everywhere. Daily offerings, known as kanang sari, are meticulously crafted from palm leaves and flowers. Placed outside homes, shops, and temples, they are a constant, fragrant reminder of gratitude and balance. Bali is often called the Island of 1,000 Temples, but the number is closer to 20,000. Each village has at least 3, and every family compound has its own shrine. These temples are not museums. They are vibrant centers of community life. Grand ceremonies like Galungan celebrate the victory of good over evil, with decorative bamboo poles called penjor, arching gracefully over every street. Temple anniversaries, or Ulun, are colorful island-wide affairs filled with prayer, music, and dance. Among the most iconic sea temples is Tanah Lot. Perched dramatically on a rocky outcrop, it becomes an island unto itself at high tide, a guardian against the sea. At sunset, as the sky ignites in hues of orange and purple, it becomes one of Bali's most magical sights. Equally stunning is Ulun Danu Beratan, which appears to float serenely on Lake Beratan. Further east, Pura Lempuyang's famous Gates of Heaven perfectly frame the majestic Mount Agung, creating a portal between the earthly and the divine. At Tirta Temple, pilgrims and visitors alike cleanse themselves in the sacred spring waters, a ritual of spiritual purification that has continued for over a millennium. These temples are the very heart of Balinese culture. The spiritual landscape is mirrored by the physical one, dominated by its powerful volcanoes. Towering above the island's central highlands is Mount Batur, an active volcano. Its caldera is home to a vast lake and smaller villages, a landscape shaped by immense geological forces. Long before sunrise, guided by torchlight, hikers begin their journey toward the summit, a popular pilgrimage for adventurers. As daylight breaks, a breathtaking panorama unfolds. Golden light illuminates the Caldera Lake, the neighboring Mount Abang, and on a clear day, the distant peak of Mount Rinjani on Lombok. The view from the top is unforgettable. Standing above a sea of clouds, watching the island awaken below, visitors witness one of Bali's most extraordinary experiences. From the mountains, we descend to the coast, where Bali's shoreline offers incredible variety. Soft, golden beaches stretch along the south, while the north and east coasts are lined with striking black volcanic sand. In the Bukit Peninsula, dramatic limestone cliffs plunge hundreds of feet into the churning Indian Ocean, and beneath the surface, a world of wonder awaits. The crystal-clear waters attract surfers, snorkelers, and divers. In places like Tulamben, you can dive the famous USAT Liberty shipwreck, a world-class site teeming with marine life just steps from the shore. From the legendary surf breaks of Uluwatu and the tranquil luxury of Nusa Dua to the chic beach clubs of Seminyak, each coastal area has its own unique character. Together they form one of Asia's most iconic and beautiful coastlines. And for many, that coastline means one thing: surfing. Bali is a mecca, considered one of the world's top surfing destinations. A combination of consistent swells from the Indian Ocean, warm tropical waters, and stunning scenery attracts surfers of every skill level, from beginners on the gentle waves of Kuta to professionals chasing world-class barrels. Places like Uluwatu, with its dramatic cliffside setting, Padang Padang, home of the Balinese pipeline, and the trendy longboard waves of Canggu have become legendary within the global surfing community. Even for non-surfers, finding a clifftop warung to watch the masters at play, as the sun dips below the horizon, is a breathtaking and essential Bali experience. Far from the crashing waves lies Ubud, the cultural and artistic heart of Bali. Surrounded by lush forests and terraced rice fields, Ubud offers a slower, more contemplative pace of life. This is where Bali's creative spirit is most palpable. It has also become a global center for wellness. Yogashalas with breathtaking jungle views, silent meditation retreats, and holistic spas offer sanctuary for the mind and body. Gentle walks through the rice paddies provide a simple, restorative connection to nature. For those seeking adventure beyond the mainland, a short boat ride opens up a new world. The nearby islands of Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembongan, and Nusa Keningan offer a rawer, more dramatic version of Bali's beauty. Here, you can discover jaw-dropping coastal cliffs, swim with majestic manta rays, and explore a quieter side of the region. Exploring Bali is an experience for all the senses, and taste is paramount. Food is an essential and delicious part of Balinese culture, rich in flavor, spice, and tradition. Popular favorites include nasi campur, a scoop of rice surrounded by a variety of flavorful dishes. Babi guling, succulent spit-roasted pig, is a ceremonial delicacy. Satay lilit offers a unique twist on satay, with minced meat blended with coconut and spices. From humble street-side stalls known as warungs to world-class fine dining, fresh ingredients and complex traditional spice pastes, or basagede, create unforgettable culinary experiences. Every meal offers a taste of Bali's soul. To truly discover Bali, a few practical tips go a long way. The best time to visit is during the dry season, from April to October. The monsoon season brings more rain but also lusher landscapes and fewer crowds. Renting a scooter offers ultimate freedom, while hiring a local driver provides invaluable insight and comfort. Remember to always dress modestly when visiting temples, covering your shoulders and knees with a sarong and sash. Most importantly, travel with an open heart. Engage with the local culture, support small businesses, and practice sustainable tourism to help preserve the magic of this island for generations to come. Bali is so much more than a tropical island. It is a living, breathing tapestry where nature, culture, and a profound spirituality exist in a delicate and beautiful harmony. From the emerald rice terraces that climb toward the heavens and the sacred temples that anchor the soul, to the volcanic peaks that command the sky and the stunning coastlines that embrace the sea, Bali offers experiences that resonate deep within, staying with you long after the journey ends. It is a destination that inspires, captivates, and welcomes all with a warmth and grace that is uniquely its own. This is Bali, the island of gods, a paradise unlike any other. Discover Bali.